On today's job here, we have a 35-foot black olive, which did get hit by lightning because the bark was peeling. And we do have to rope some of these branches off. But let me show you the bark and what it looks like when it gets hit by lightning. A ton of feeder roots on this one. Here's the bark, it kind of shrivels up. That's how you can tell. Carla's starting the tree, getting going. Already started knocking down a couple limbs. And here's the time lapse. So we roped all the limbs down off the house. Everything went smooth. There was a couple tricky cuts that we did have to make. There it is, completely gone. And then we'll just knock it down from here. Now we're just knocking the trunk down. It was pretty thick. We did end up hitting some nails or some type of metal in there. It was like right here at this point. And smoked a couple chains, but we ended up cutting everything else and just leaving it big. The grapple guys don't love that, but you can only do what you can do. Here's me with the skid steer, loading all the heavy logs up. About to knock the stump out. It was a lot of roots, definitely. And thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions on this tree job or how to do trees or anything tree related, how to stump grind anything, comment down below. Thanks for watching.